RexTact maybe, and this is a wheelchair ramp, or basically any type of ramp. Maybe if you're like me, you know, I got some bicycles back here and I've got a little small shed. It comes with a little set of gloves, a caster. Now that caster goes on there so you can roll it if you're taking it somewhere, because it is portable. You want to throw it in your car or whatever. Comes with a little bit of tools right here. Here's the actual nut it came with. Don't want to lose that. And there's a chain, and that right there is so when it's closed up, let's see. I've already used this thing a couple times. You guys can see right here. Let me show you. See this right here? So that way it doesn't come undone while you're shipping it or something. See that? So I can carry it just like this. So that little caster wheel is going to go right there. So let me go ahead, put the wheel on it, and I'll show you kind of rolling it around. Then I'll show you actually in use going up and down the ramp right there. This is made of 6061 aluminum, so it's pretty light. Look at that, one-handed, but it holds up to 800 pounds of capacity on this thing. So you've got 800 pounds of capacity on this with the non-slip. Let's put it all together and let's see how well it works with a trike. Okay, I went ahead and installed the wheel on there. So to install this wheel, it kind of screws in, and then you put a nut on the backside, and then this right here is what holds it together, and it's on this little hook right here, which got bent a little bit, but I'm okay with that. Then to open it, you just open it up like this, and it has a like a slope up here, so there's two ways you can do it. Put it just like this, and that way it's like that. And let me show you how this thing works. So walking up on it, you can see right there, I'm 190, and that's holding me pretty easy right there. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually make the slope go this way on my shed. And the overall length of this thing, this one right here, is 4 foot to 29 inches wide. So you need to be at least 29 inches wide, or 28 and a half on inside. It's got reflective in here. So that gives you an idea of the size of it right there. And let me show you putting this bike on there. So like I said, now normally what I was doing with this trike, I was just picking it up and setting it in the shed. But check this out now. That rolls right up in there. These wheels fit right down on that right there. So you want to make sure it's lined up, dead center. Look how easy. Now I also get it in and out of my van. Like I said, this is not light. So what I was doing before, no joke, I was actually just picking it up and carrying it in there. And then I was going to build a ramp here. But then what I also needed, so getting it in and out of my van, if I wanted to do in and out of my van, I needed a portable ramp. If you've got someone elderly or someone disabled, or that's been in an accident or something, and you need to get up and down steps, curbs, or getting in somewhere, keep this with you. You could pull this out at any time, throw it down, and then we can get them in and out. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the wheelchair ramp.